Have you ever said, one day I'll travel the world? But years go by and you stay in the same spot. This one day thinking feels safe, but it's a trap. It makes you wait forever for something that never comes. Today we'll look at why we do this and how to stop waiting and start living. Get ready for a big change in your mind. Think about your dreams, like starting a new hobby or getting fit. You say one day and feel okay for a moment, but deep down, you know it's just an excuse. Many people do this with their jobs too. They hate it, but wait for one day to quit. This waiting makes life feel empty. Remember when you wanted to learn a language? You bought books, but said, one day I'll start. Now those books collect dust on the shelf. It's the same with relationships sometimes. You think, one day I'll fix things with friends, but time passes and connections fade away. This pattern repeats in small ways every day. Even with health, we say, one day I'll eat better, but junk food wins because waiting is easy. You see others living their dreams now. It makes you wonder, why not you? This one day steals your joy bit by bit. It's common, but it doesn't have to be your story. Let's see why it happens to so many. The psychology behind one day is fear. Fear of failing if you try now. Your brain wants to protect you from hurt, so it says, wait for a better time. But that time never really comes. It's a way to avoid hard work too. Understanding this is the first step. Another reason is perfectionism. You think everything must be perfect first, like waiting for motivation to hit strong. But action creates motivation, not the other way. This waiting loop keeps you frozen. It's your mind's trick to stay comfortable. Now you see the hidden game. We also wait because of past hurts. Bad experiences make us careful. Saying one day feels like hope, but it's fake hope without steps. Real hope comes from small actions. This insight can free you. See how waiting is not your friend. Society teaches us to wait too, like good things come to those who wait. But that's not always true for dreams. Waiting can mean missing chances. Your brain loves routine, hates change. That's why one day feels easy. Break this by knowing the truth. Now shift your thinking. Replace one day with today, even if it's a small step. Feel the power in that change. Waiting ends when you decide. Your life is happening right now. Make the shift and feel free. Imagine your future self thanking you for starting now, not waiting. This shift turns regret into pride. Before you were stuck, now you're moving. Repeat, now is my time. Feel it in your heart. This new thought changes everything. Let go of perfect conditions. Start messy, that's okay. The shift is from waiting to trying. You gain strength each time you act. No more excuses, just steps. This mental change feels good. You're ready for it now. See waiting as a choice you can stop. Shift to owning your time. Before, stuck. After, empowered. This shift builds real confidence. Say goodbye to one day. Hello to action and growth. You can do this today. Take one small action today, like walking for 5 minutes. Build from there, no pressure. You have the power to change. Feel empowered by your choice. This is your life. Own it. Start simple, see results soon. Write down one day dream, then break it into tiny steps. Do the first one right away. This empowers you to keep going. No more waiting, just doing. You're stronger than you think. Celebrate each small win. Tell a friend your new plan. Sharing makes it real and fun. You empower yourself with support. End the waiting cycle today. Feel the freedom in action. This is how growth happens. You're on the path now. If you slip, get back up. Empowerment comes from trying again. No judgment, just keep moving. Your now habit will grow strong. See the difference in your days. You control your story. Live it without regrets. Visualize success from acting now. This vision empowers your steps. Before, waiting. After, achieving. You deserve this change. Take it, one day at a time, but start with today. Feel the empowerment inside. Build a routine around action. Small daily habits end waiting. This empowers long-term growth.
You're not the same person anymore. Proud of your new self. Keep going. It's worth it. Empowerment is your new normal. Think deeper about your one-day list. What fear hides behind each one? Facing it deepens your understanding. This reflection strengthens the shift. You're growing every day now. Feel the emotional release. No more heavy waiting. Remember, you're not alone in this. Many have stopped waiting and won. Let this reinforce your emotions. Feel hope, real hope now. Your journey starts today. End with empowerment, ready to act. You got this. Believe it.